Alright guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel, man. So today's video, we finally installed our Silverado SS carbon fiber steering wheel. Man, if you guys gonna enjoy this video, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe with the bell notifications turned on all. Share this video with a friend. If any company sponsor wants to work with me, my business emails down below in the description with my social media. Subscribe. We're uploading every single day. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. All right, chat. So here's my Silverado SS custom carbon fiber steering wheel, chat. We just installed it. I was gonna show you guys the uninstall and install process, but it was getting annoying and I didn't want to bore you guys, but I'd rather just show you guys the full details. But there's a lot of video tutorials over on YouTube, so you guys could go check that out. By the way, bro, y'all see that I'm doing this out here in the wintry cold weather. It got cold again. Inside of the truck it's 37 degrees, but like outside it's like 30 or 25 degrees, bro. So yes, we're back again with this cold weather. It was just nice and sunny the other day ago. So chat, as well, I'm having battery issues as well. The truck didn't want to start up because I haven't drove it, bro. It's been so cold in winter. I'm tired of this weather, bro. But let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you guys take a look at my battery gauge, it's literally reading underneath below 14th. I know a lot of you guys may say that's normal, but guys, this truck would always be like at the 14th line or like a little bit over 15. And I charged the battery, and it's gonna be the battery, chat. I charged the battery for it to start up, and it charged up, but now I have the truck on. Now it went down, so I might get a new battery because I guess I didn't take care of it this winter. Should have left it on a trickle charger. I think from now on, for every winter, dude, I'm gonna start taking off the battery and leave it inside my house, dude, in the warm. Cause this is not good. I don't think it's the alternator, chat, by the way. I think it's the battery, because it barely started up and the battery gauge was going up slowly. Like I know it's the battery, bro, because I haven't been driven. But here's my carbon fiber steering wheel, chat. A lot of people always ask, how much did I get it for? Where did you guys get it? And I don't know why on camera, like, I don't know, it does not do its justice, guys. In person, it looks so much better, guys. In person, it looks so much darker and like black. It like plays out with the interior so well. And this is literally what I imagined. So yeah, chat, I got this from my guy. First of all, I was looking for one from the Silverado SS group chat on Facebook, and then somebody just kept commenting his link, his work, and I got this steering wheel from him. It did take a full month to make and deliver, which I was kind of impatient because I was super excited. I was looking at so many videos and I wanted it fast. But you know, now that it's here and it's still cold, so I should have never been impatient. I mean, I still got it here regardless, but you know what I'm saying? I was just impatient because I was excited, and this is my first ever carbon fiber steering wheel. And it's not that, bro, it's just I can't really do much. I mean, I could drive. There's no snow on the ground no more, as y'all see. But bro, it's just this weather, bro. It's cold. It's not even spring weather yet. It's just very annoying, guys, and I don't know, bro. It's just tough, chat. But yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, this is my Silverado SS. Super excited, man. But this is the steering wheel, chat. This is the steering wheel. I don't know what else to say. I could show you guys full stitching. Let me show you guys the stitching. The stitching is so dark and black that it's so good. As you see, I did the color match stitching. The reason why I didn't want a stripe line is because I wanted to keep it casual and simple. And then I didn't want to add blue, guys, because blue's all in the lights. And I feel like blue would look tacky, bro. And this is literally what I imagined. Black, dark, OEM plus interior on the truck overall. And this is just what I overall came up with. So let me know what y'all think, man. This is what I wanted. It's here. And I don't know what else to do, chat. Let me know. Like I said, I mean, it's just cold, bro. This weather's tough. Show you, look at my fit, bro. It's so cold, bro. But yeah, man, this is my truck. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm happy how it turned out. This is how I've always imagined it. Shh, look at the interior. So let me know what y'all think. I did get the traction control switch. I'll probably make a separate video on that. Yeah, it's just, I forgot. It's just I can't. Oh, and I just gotta do all that good stuff. But as well, update on the horn. A lot of people. So yes, chat. You gotta remove your horn. You gotta take everything apart. I did reuse the same. Y'all can see. I reused the same back piece of the steering wheel right here. just for it could look OEM plus, and I like the finish. It's still in good condition, so I don't want to switch it out. But yeah, and then look how like the like size of the steering wheel driving is not like too thick right here. It's like good condition, guys. Not too big, not too small. As you see, it's not thick. It's like perfect. And your hands when you're driving like this, it's perfect. And then yeah, the steering wheel, you got to take off the horn. You got to use a 21 millimeter and take it off. I did all this inside. I took everything. I didn't do this outside to take off the steering wheel. I took it off, and then I went inside my house and like put everything back from the old steering wheel onto this one. And this is what I came up with. And then the horn does work. You got to reconnect the horn, and then you see that's what it does sound like. Let me show you guys again. But yeah, that's the horn, chat. That's what I want to see. I'm more worried about the battery voltage, chat. And my oil voltage. Is the oil voltage normal, chat? I think it's average, but the battery, I gotta recharge it or something, get a new battery. But yeah, chat, it's my steering wheel, man. I don't know what else there is to it, chat. I think I'm done with the truck upgrades, interior. I'm not gonna get custom interior, chat. I'm gonna stick with my I'm gonna stick with my seats, stuff like that. And then everything's pretty much done, bro. Update on the rear view control. I am getting the rear view currently made, the one with the OnStar buttons, guys. That is currently getting made right now as we speak, so I will be switching out this rear view mirror. So if anybody wants this rear view mirror, let me know. It has white LED, digital temperature. It works. It's literally plug and play, as you see right there. Plug and play. You'll see that. But yeah, I'm waiting on that. And other than that, chat, that's pretty much it. It's my steering wheel. I don't know what else to say. It's pretty much it. I'm not gonna lie, looking at it, maybe I'm already used to it. It feels normal. But I'm pretty sure on camera, you guys watching this video, it looks insane, right? Maybe because I've just been waiting to install it. I've been seeing this every day in my room. I finally installed it, and I guess it looks good. Yeah, I did make sure everything's tight. Oh. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, might need some new, not new, some tire pressure. I like this camera. Look at that. That's clean. Make sure the wheels are straight. Yeah, man. W or what? It looks so much better in person, but yo, I'm not gonna lie, in person it looks small. It looks funny, it looks nice though. But yeah, man, that's the updates on that. Finally did it, chat. Finally did it. I don't know if I'm gonna get one for my daily truck, bro. It's too much money. I could afford it. It's just, bro, it's a daily truck for a reason. I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, as well, update on the steering wheel controls. It was kind of hard to put in. It's so tight. The wiring is so tight. And look, it's scuffed, bro. So I don't know if I want to get OEM ones next, but for now, I'm definitely taking a break. I'm not buying anything, chat. Maybe till summertime, but it is what it is. Does our lights work? Our lights work, chat. I'm trying to see bro, look at the battery voltage, chat. Yeah, bro, we gotta fix that. My hazards light works. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. Drop a like, subscribe. I'm gonna get some Instagram reels TikTok videos, pictures. And man, this weather, bro, there's nothing more annoying than this weather, chat. If you're watching this video from Miami, Mexico, they got that 70, 60 plus degree weather, 70 plus degree weather, 80 plus. You guys are lucky, man. But we'll be back, chat. Drop a like, subscribe, appreciate it. I do need a thumbnail. This is my Parsi works. Make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna do a thumbnail like this. Let me know what y'all think, chat. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Love y'all. I'm out, man. GG's.